Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to check air distance on Google Maps step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. All right, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet for accurate mapping. Step 2. Now, find the location where you want to start measuring from. Touch and hold on that spot to drop a red pin on it. Step 3. When the pin appears, tap on the pop-up that shows details for the pin. Then, from the options, select Measure Distance. Step 4. Now move the map so that the next point you want to measure to is centered. Tap Add Point when you've aligned it correctly. You can continue adding multiple points if you want to measure a path with more than 2 locations. Step 5. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the distance displayed in a straight line or air distance between your starting point and each added point. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly measure air distance using Google Maps. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.